In this video, I am going to show you how to use Sora AI. First of all, we open any browser. Go to the search bar and type Sora AI. Click on the first link. Here, we can easily create videos from text. Sora is an AI model that can create realistic and imaginative scenes from text instructions. Go below and here you can see we are teaching AI to understand and simulate the physical world, emotions, with the goal of training models that help people solve problems that require real-world interaction. Go below where you can see Sora is not now available. It will be coming available to users to access critical areas for human or risk. The final result is that Sora is not available now, but it will be coming available in a few months or days. It will depend on the creators of Sora AI. If this video is helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.